He's dead. He's dead. He's dead.
Sorry. That was not you. No, that wasn't you.
Okay, now who killed him?
You could have forced you one.
I'm with the sister here.
It'll make no difference in 100 years or so sooner.
Are you taking a video of him?
Yeah.
Like right now? Oh, okay.
Sorry, I'm opening it.
You think he knows it's him?
Oh, heck no.
He's not minding it at all. See?
I was bored. I would not compromise wanting more. So I looked in your eyes.
But for my...
But it could have been any guy's.
Okay, I'll do it after.
It could have been any guy's eyes. But your eyes were there.
Drop me
Just stand for something that I can't.
Come on. She needs us. Let's go inside. So they found him, crushed up against the train. He was cold. Dead for hours. Dead for hours, Eva.
I do want $25,000.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Wait, who is that, Maddie? Who is that?
Sorry. She wants some tea. No, she doesn't want tea. She just wants so much more tea. No.
Yeah.
Fucking listening.
Maddie wants you to like vote for someone
Congress.
for them to win $25,000.
We had my birthday dinner. So it was lovely.
Who is it?
So I
it's a
said-
cousin.
Let's have an early night.
Facebook to be verified.
And he just got so angry with me.
I don't
So we
remember
left.
his
I
Facebook.
took him to bike to the pub to
Just
watch the
remember her
match. So
Facebook.
Well, I can
Just
put
went to
it
bed.
here. It says right there.
it was just